Hello, baby.
Like, hey.
Hey. What I was feeling is tension all the way up this side of the C-spine. So just wiggle your toes. I want you to really be conscious of your sitting posture. Making sure you keep your flashlight, your belly button pointed towards the ground. That's going to give you more of an arch here, and that takes pressure so that these bones aren't collapsing on each other. Keep pressing. Alright. How we doing?
Good. I was feeling a lot of tension on one side, but right now I don't. That's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.